Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're watching my video first time, my name is Meena Dhesi and today tutorial about how to make base for a long lasting makeup in the festival season. Your makeup not going anywhere even after a whole night party. So guys, I will show you step by step. Let's begin. As usual, I'm going to start with my skincare first. First product I'm using from Glow Recipe, Watermelon Glow Pink Juice Moisturizing for hydrating and smoothing. So guys, I have got dry skin, so this product perfect for me. Please do skincare according to your skin types and conditions. Second product I'm using from Estee Lauder DAYWEAR Eye Cooling Antioxidant Moisturizing Gel Cream for all skin types to keep your eye hydrating and reduce the fine lines. Lip balm I'm using from SEPHORA, Watermelon Moisturizing and Hydrating. I done my skincare, so guys, I'm going to leave my skin about 2 to 3 minutes to absorb all products on my skin. Next, apply slightly any loose translucent powder around nose, T-zone and near mouth to lock down your skin products. And if you got oily skin, this also control oil throughout the long hours. Next, apply makeup holding spray to lock down everything and let it dry before next step of the makeup. Next, if you need any color correcting, you can do color correcting according to your skin conditions, because if you got really pigmentation, black under circle eyes, you must do color correcting. Otherwise, if you apply directly any concealer or foundation, your concealer or foundation will look ashy. I'm using peach color correcting for the slightly black circle eyes and uneven skin tone. Color correcting I'm using from Huda Beauty FAUXFILTER corrector peach color. Then let it dry after apply. Next, apply concealer. So guys, today I'm not using any foundation, only I'm using concealer to keep makeup minimum, and that way when you go to the party, Gurba or Dandiya, start to sweat, likely to become your foundation cakey because of this sweat. Concealer I'm using from OVERRULED True Match 6DW. Then apply under eyes, forehead, near mouth, chin, so you can apply to cover some acne spots and cover up. Then leave the concealer few minutes to become taggy. By the time, apply some eyebrow fixing gel for a long lasting eyebrow makeup and let it dry before apply any eyebrow pencil. Next, apply contour just in the cheek. No need to apply all around the face, otherwise it will be look very heavy makeup. Contour I'm using from NYX Under Stick Medium 10. Then first blend out the contour till the smooth look. Next, blend out concealer till the smooth. So guys, I'm applying leftover concealer from the beauty blender around the face. Next, doing eyebrow and fill the sparse area, and guys, please don't draw too heavy. Anything you use for the eyebrow makeup, use less amount of the product and keep eyebrow natural. Next, apply cream blush. If you got tint blush, you can use for the long lasting. I'm using blush from JACKYN, Overruled. Next, one more time use loose translucent powder to lock down everything to avoid very sweating and for the long lasting makeup. Take some powder in your hand, dust out excess amount of the powder and apply in the pressing way. Next, apply powder bronzer to give some bronzy effects and apply very less amount of the bronzer and apply in the forehead, cheekbone and jawline. Bronzer I'm using from MUA Sun Kissed Bronze. One more time guys, need to spray again to lock down everything. Final one, makeup spray using from Revolution Lasting Hold Fixing Spray. Next, doing very natural and light eye makeup. For that I'm using same bronzer and apply in the whole eyelid and eye crease. Next, apply waterproof eye pencil. Eye pencil from EVE Ultimate. Next, apply same bronzer in the eyelashes and smoke out. This way, your eye pencil not going to smudge out. Next, apply in the eyelid highlighter from Deluxe Diva Baked Highlighter, Lively Champagne. Look at, guys, how beautiful it is looking. Next, apply waterproof mascara from MUA, Loaded Lash XL Intense Impact Volume Mascara. Next, doing combo lip makeup. First, apply lip pencil from ESTEE True Color Brown Color, shade 104. This lip liner, guys, trust me, till tomorrow is not going to remove. Another liquid lipstick from Maybelline, Ink Lipstick. This lipstick is long lasting and just apply in the middle of the lip. Finally, apply same highlighter in the cheekbone and slightly in the top of the nose. So guys, this is my final look. I used less amount of the product, no foundation at all. If you are planning to go festival season, long night party, you must try this way base makeup. Your makeup will be long lasting, no cakey at all. So guys, I hope you love watching my video. If yes, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. So see you soon. Happy Dasera everyone and enjoy with a loved one. Bye.